Hi, are you a homemaker or a student or an employee? So, how do you like to choose your career during this lockdown or after lockdown? So, there are already many changes which are happening in our life. We have to get adapted to them. We have very limited choices. We have to learn to make quick decisions. If we are slow, we will lose many things in our life. So, the faster you can adapt yourself, the quicker it is going to help us. So, many people are in the fear of losing their job. So, what's next? It's quick learning. So, why you should choose entrepreneurship? Do you think education or degree is the most important thing in this world? Absolutely no. Because of this, the bottom levels are hit. The hardworking employees take a lot of time to reach the middle management. So, what do you need to do to become an entrepreneur? Because how can a corporate help its employees without revenue? Even if you have been working in a company for 10 to 20 years, without generating revenue, a corporate cannot help its employees. So you will be having many family commitments and debts. So who will be affected in this lockdown? Many people are losing their jobs. Retail industry, tourism, hospitality, cinemas, restaurants, luxury products, live sports, real estates, events and conferences, automobile. So don't be stuck in taking decisions. You may not get what you expect. So if you think that you'll be waiting for that even if you're getting affected, then please shift your mind and step into new world. Your passion is more important. At present, survival is in need. So, what are the changes we can expect because of this lockdown? There will be social distancing. People will be afraid to gather in large numbers. People will be working from home. There will be high internet usage. There will be more health conscious. There will be gradually reducing in pollution. People's priorities has already changed. There will be different business models coming up. Family times have increased. Expenses have dropped. There's a difference in our education system. The food habits have changed, and there's change in entertainment as well. So industries that will rise up: digital gadgets, stock marketing, home gardening, online coaching or teaching, affiliate marketing, and network marketing. So let me tell you, we are into network marketing, and our brand partner is Oriflame. Oriflame is not a new company. It is a 50 years old company. It is founded in Sweden in 1967. It is the largest European direct selling company. It is present in 60 plus countries with over than 30 lakh consultants worldwide. So our Oriflame is in India since 25 years. The first office was opened in 1995. It has received Ella Beauty Award in 2015 and 2016. It has offices in over 20 cities in India. It is a co-founding member of IDSA. So, why you should not miss this opportunity and to be a part of Supremacy Network? It's because you will gain your identity as an entrepreneur. You will no more be called as a homemaker. You will be able to work with like-minded women all over India. You need not even step out of your house. Your education or your experience is not a barrier here. You can grow faster towards your dreams. So we all stay connected with digital tools. You can see college students turning into entrepreneurs. You can also see homemakers and corporate employees turning into the successful entrepreneurs. We have 100% digital leader from Kuwait who is completely following digital system. And what is the eligibility criteria? Age should be above 18 years. You need to have a smartphone with 3G or 4G internet connection or a computer or a laptop. You must be able to spend minimum 3 to 4 hours of your flexible time. You should be ready to learn to the digital business system, team building skills and leadership skills. And you have to note one thing, that the monthly payouts are based on your monthly business volumes only. So you have three roles to choose here. One is a business coach, the other one is a seller, and the other one is a customer. If you choose your role as a business coach, you have to self use the products, and you'll get free digital marketing course, and you will be able to reach higher roles like consultant manager and senior manager, and you will be having monthly income plus 20% off on products. You will have stage recognitions. You will be qualified for national and international conferences. When you choose your role as a seller, you will sell the products and get immediate profit. You have no limit in purchasing of products, and you'll have 20% profit when you sell. As a customer, you will understand your skin type or health related problems, and you will take the product that suits you. There is no limit in product purchase. You'll have 20% discount on products. So the income opportunities for business builder is very high. Eh, Oriflame offers an unlimited income opportunity when you invite others to join this opportunity. Income for sponsoring grows slowly at first, but when it goes high, it expands rapidly. The only thing you need to do is invite more and more people to this opportunity. You have to learn this and teach the same to the team who is joining you. So you have to build your team and earn income here. So the only way of building your team is you have to have customers, sellers, and a business coach together in your team. You will be having cash awards starting from a director level. So these are the one-time cash awards starting from 50,000 rupees to 5 crore rupees. So most of them have a fear about marketing because they think it is only about selling. You can work even without selling here. Everything in this world involves sales, even for your education or your IT work. Business involves products or services. Without this, there is no business. When you work for products, you will be a seller, but when you work for your dream, you will be a business builder. So what do you get from Oriflame? You'll have monthly incomes for level promotions, cash awards starting from 50,000 rupees. When you recommend product, you have 20% margin for sellers, free accommodation in luxury hotels for managers and above levels. Where you find your identity as an entrepreneur, you will be having an opportunity to support many women around you. So how to join? You will have a free registration. You'll get a consultant ID. You have to log into Oriflame app or website. Just need to shop one product and start as a self user. Attend all the online trainings like digital, skincare, wellness, makeup, etc. Decide to yourself what role you want with us, with or without selling. So join our team today. So if you want this dream lifestyle, if you want to get qualified for national and international trips, so if you want to earn a dream car for your own, if you want to have stage recognitions, you want to have cash awards, you want to earn bonuses and income, so join our network today and you will be able to have a dream lifestyle here. Thank you.